Yo, Dad, what's up?
Morning, son.
Mom said to give me $35 so I can go to a rap concert.
Is that what she said, or are you paraphrasing?
Come on, Dad, you own an entire fleet of delivery trucks. We got money.
No, I got money. You're broke. All right, what's the name of this rapper you gotta see so bad?
MC Murder Death. But it's not what you think.
What did I think?
You know that he's negative and preaches about violence and stuff.
Oh, no, that didn't cross my mind. When I hear a name like MC Murder Death, I think, here's a positive young role model, giving back to the community. What's the name of his big hit?
Bullet to the brain. But it's not what you think.